Shocking trading scandals going on and being exposed, from Tori Trades blocking me on X for spilling the tea, to Apex denying a $19,000 payout on a trader on X, as well as an update on my own payout with Apex, and TopOne leaving traders high and dry with a big payout denial, but that trader's fighting back in the form of 94 disputes with his credit card company, and Topstep's latest glitch might be screwing with your trade analysis. You won't believe what's happening in the trading prop world, so stick around for the full scoop. Let's go. Welcome to the ultimate trading drama expose. I'm diving into the world of prop trading today, and I have jaw-dropping updates. Tori Trades blocked me on X over my last video. Apex is denying a $19,000 payout from a trader on X, and I'm also going to be giving you an update on my own $10,000 payout with Apex Saga. Plus, TopOne's payout denial has everyone up in arms, with one trader fighting back this time, not taking it lying down and putting 94 disputes on his credit card against TopOne. And TopstepX is caught in another glitch with their tech software. I don't understand why they can't get this thing fixed. And alongside, you got Funded Futures family with a denial and a trader that's not happy at all. But here's the kicker: to celebrate you sticking with me, I'm gonna give away a $50,000 TradeDay Evaluation in this video. It's an end of day evaluation as well, and all you have to do is comment in the comment section below. Just say what's up if you want. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, as well as share the video on social media. That's it. You're automatically entered. I will announce the winner in the community section of the channel, where I post my P&Ls every single day. So I will tag you there once the winner is announced. And throughout the video, I'm going to drop a code for you, and it's going to give you a free account at Apex. You got to be fast. It could be any size you want: 25, 50K, 150, 300K. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Whatever size you want, you pick it, you use that code. It'll be for free, but you got to be fast because it's going to go quick. And if you want to trade with the top firms, make sure to use coupon code, all caps, JESSEW, Jesse W, for the deepest available discount at all the firms. So with that Take Profit Trader, you're going to get 40% off with zero activation fee. At TradeDay, you're going to get 40% off with zero activation fee. At Apex, 80% off. At Bulanox, 83% off. Tradeify coming in hot with their own discount, and so is my Funded Futures. So make sure you take advantage of that. Links in the description and comment section of this video to all the top places, even Earn to Trade. You're going to get a nice fat discount with them. Let's go. Oh my God, Tori blocked me on X. Oh no, Tori Trades has blocked you. What will I ever do? Guys, I want you right now that are watching this and you're getting ready to type Tori is an amazing trader and all that nonsense that you're right? I want you to tell me right now, truthfully, after you took the trendline course and traded trend lines, how has trading trend lines all of 2025 gone for you? Are you net positive? If so, how much? Are you net negative? If so, how much? I want to know. Drop it in the comment section below. But Tori Trades blocked me. We all knew that was going to happen. Of course it's going to happen, because I called out the truth. You ain't making money like that on a consistent basis, right? A good, strong living trading just trend lines. No trader. It's just go do the back testing yourself. There's people who have done it. I've already commented in the comment section of the video, right? Go do the back testing over the last couple of years. Just trade trend lines in your back testing period, all right? And then come out at the end of the year and let me know how well it came out. Just go ahead and do it. Try it out and let me know. So we all knew that block was going to come, and it came a lot faster than I thought it would. But you know what else was blocked? Payout on Frederick right here. Frederick says $19,400 payout denied by Apex. Oh my God, another Apex denial. Reason: a total of 2 trades dipped below the 30% drawdown. Not intentional, but it happened. And Apex is getting very strict with the rules now. It's that simple. That's what it is. I've fallen victim to the 30% rule. And when I say victim of my own doing. I know that rule is there, right? We got the 30% consistency rule and the 30% unrealized rule. I've fallen victim to myself, to the most part, the 30% consistency rule. Why? Because whoopsie, all right? And this can happen to anybody as well. And I talked about it in a previous video, and this is another reason why I always tell you guys, intermediate, advanced traders. If you're going to trade and you're trying to get that payout, intermediate, advanced traders for Apex. If you're a new trader, you're not going to get a payout basically anywhere you trade anytime soon because you're still learning, then always go with the cheapest available eval out there to practice. Apex, Bulanox, you know, they usually have the cheapest available evals. Go ahead and try those out. But if you're chasing those payouts and you can't deal with the rules at Apex, then just leave it for the intermediate advanced traders. $19,400. But Frederick knows that it was his fault. He didn't do it intentionally. Whether it's intentional or not, it doesn't really matter. He knows that. Obviously, he's not even going after Apex here. Profits built up, so it's not lost. So it's not like you forfeit those profits either. The profit stays in the account, so that's not lost. You just need to trade another 8 days and request again. That's it. That's the beauty. A lot of places will breach the accounts entirely, or will just breach the profits, take them out if you're lucky. With Apex, your profits stay there. Your payout is denied. Trade another 8 days, trading properly, right? Not trying to game the system either. Trading properly. And if you do, you put in for your payout request, you should be all right. That's it. You know? Wish him luck, he says, so wish him luck. And if you fast forward here a little bit, you see Trading with Jesse W. Who is that guy? That's right, it's me. Make sure you follow me on X at JESSE_W33, and make sure you swing by, say hi in the comment section of my posts. You have here, jackpot alert, just got $10,000 payout approved from Apex Trader Funding to end my Friday. Prop traders, this could be you. And it's true, right? It took me, when I first started trading with Apex, it took me a few months to finally get a feel for what the rules are, how they work, and how to really achieve payouts. But look at this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Who do we freaking appreciate? Your man, Jesse W. $10,000 payout going into the weekend. You gotta love it. But why? Because I follow the rules. Because I didn't break the rules. Even though there were times where I had to be quick, because the unrealized 30% rule might get me, and I'd have to exit a position earlier because I miscalculated my stop zone, and then re-enter it again because the trade itself was sound. I actually did one of those on my live stream. Remember, I stream Wednesdays at 9:15 a.m. I had to exit the position a little bit earlier, 2 times, and then I had to re-enter it properly with my stop more defined, closer, so that I wouldn't fall victim to that 30% unrealized loss rule, and bang, $10,000 in my pocket. And speaking of why you appreciate me, it's time for a code. This one is for Apex. Click the link in the description or comment section of the video. Just click that, go to your Apex website, log in, and utilize this code. You gotta be fast. This code is going to give you any size account you want. So pick whatever size account you want, add it to your basket, and then when you're checking out, use the following code, all caps, the letter E, the number 4, R, H, D, D, J, D. That's E as in Echo, 4, R as in Romeo, H as in Hotel, D as in Delta, D as in Delta, J as in your boy Jesse, and D as in Delta. Good luck, guys. Get those accounts. If we click here, we'll see a couple comments. You know, somebody giving me a salute. Congratulations. Not quite sure what this bot is doing here, but whoever Johnny M. Cool says, screw Apex. I know you want that affiliate money from them, but there is a reason you can't comment on any of their posts here on Yat. What the freaking hell is Yat? Did he mean the X? Anyways, you can't comment on posts from Take Profit Trader on X either. And My Funded Futures Discord isn't that very much for like discording. Anyways, look, the point is that if you can't deal with the trailing drawdown, if you can't deal with all the rules that Apex has, they have a lot of rules, then just don't trade there. But don't say that it's their fault you can't get a payout. You can't get a payout because you can't follow the rules. It's that simple. There are other firms. Look, Take Profit Trader, for example. You can trade there. You can get daily payouts if you want. The other day, I saw somebody bitching in the Discord, in my Discord, actually. He came in there to promote another firm and then vanished. So we got an eye on you, and you will be banned when you come back because you just came in there to promote another firm trying to be sneaky. Anyways, he was bitching about how daily payouts make you gamble. No, you make you gamble. You make you gamble. Ain't nobody else make you gamble. You make you gamble. So then weekly payouts are better because it makes me feel like a job. What? I don't want to. What? A job? I don't want to feel like a job. It's a business. And yes, Johnny M. Cool, I want their affiliate money because it's good money. It's not bad money. They're not a scam. They pay out when you follow the rules and put in for payout requests. And I want the affiliate money from all the other firms that I promote, which aren't a whole lot of firms that I promote. And there's a shit ton of firms out there. Why don't I promote all the other firms? Well, because I like to promote firms that have good track records, that show that you can actually get payouts. That's what I like to promote. Not every brand new firm that comes out under the sun that changes rules a week later. So, you know, it's just what it is. That's why I've always said to you guys, when you ask me, hey, Jesse, what's the best firm? There is no such thing as the best firm. There's what's the best firm for you specifically. You got to test them out, figure out which one's the best for you, and then stick with that one. And then when you become consistently profitable, trade them all. Make money at all of them. How do I say that? Well, simply put, because check this out. The same day I got my Apex approval payout, I put in for a payout at Take Profit Trader. Now, I could have put in for a nice chunky, payout. Why? Because my available total was $6,035, of which I could withdraw $3,535, right? Why, Jesse? Why can't you withdraw the whole amount? Because buffers. So we exit that. I only withdrew $1,250. Why? Because I wanted to leave a little balance on this. You see, I usually, I empty out Take Profit Trader accounts, but on this one, I don't know why. I feel the need to want to run it up. So I'm going to try to run that one up, and I won't take a sizable payout until I get closer to a $10,000 balance. We'll see if we can get it done, or we'll see if we blow up. And speaking of blowing it up, have you blown up an account at TopstepX? Because Trade with John says, at Michael Patak at Topstep, there's a bug in your chart making VWAP move up and down when you move the chart. I'm a VWAP trader and I like using it for a bounce, but I cannot tell if it's on the top or the bottom. I have to check another chart to get a clear picture. Please fix this. And it's kind of weird, right? Because when you click it, dude's up $1,000. Congratulations on the combine. You're, $1,500. You're almost halfway there. But here you got this red line, which I'd imagine is the magical VWAP, and it's on top of these candles on a 1 minute chart. Why are you trading a 1 minute chart, brother? Scroll it over here, and same thing with the VWAP underneath. I thought to myself, nah, he must have clicked a different chart time, right? Nope, 1 minute. Still the 1 minute chart, so it's kind of weird. And you can see here, it's only a 2 minute difference in price action. What? How did the VWAP get all the way down there? It's only been a minute. So it looks like there's some sort of glitch on that. Unless the guy, I don't know, why would you do that? Making something up. He literally tagged Michael Patak and Topstep. But yeah, see, this is the type of glitches I like. Project X. As far as the software goes, its potential. There we go. That's the word. The potential of that software looks really, really good. I'm a TradeDay trader. I love TradeDay. Okay. I think it's user friendly. I think it has all the tools I need. If it had a cool, easy way to just implement your VWAP, which I know there's some VWAPs out there you can add. Whatever. I can't figure that shit out. I'm not tech savvy. But if Project X could freaking fix itself. And also, remember back like a few months ago, it had a thing on their website that said that they could share data with other firms that have Project X. Any firm that, I don't like that either. You all remember that. Regardless, if we put that to the side and that was no longer an issue, the software itself is pretty damn awesome. Like, it has a lot of things, right, that are useful, especially the journaling. But it seems like it's in a constant glitch. Every week there's something going on there. If this continues, then it's gonna lose steam and it's gonna fall by the wayside. It's got it button, it act up together like really good, and these things can't keep happening, right? Because this will cost you money, especially if you're in a trade or you're trying to put on a trade. You're gonna want to have TradeDay open on the side and looking at its VWAP, or TradingView or Ninja Trader, whatever, looking at its VWAP, and making sure that it's working properly. And at that point, then why even trade with Project X? But then again, why would you even trade with TopOne futures? You know what I mean? Look at this. Ralph says, well, TopOne futures denied my payout. I bought around 90 evals in 3 months. That comes out to about 30 evals a month. Basically trying to pass one round of fundeds like 2 times a week, sometimes 3. And no problem buying and resetting those accounts at all. But as soon as I hit my first payout, they breached all my accounts. I had 3 backups funded and they blew them also. What a trash behavior that is. Maybe y'all can help me out by retweeting something. Man, look at all the people you didn't, and no love for your boy over here. And I'm the one putting you on YouTube. We're gonna have to talk, homie. We click this and we see it. And what does TopOne have to say about all this? Well, due to the gravity of these violations, all pending payout requests will be rejected. The accounts will be breached and no refunds will be issued. While you are in clear violation of our rules terms, we're willing to give you another chance to prove yourself. To help support a more focused and sustainable trading journey, we've implemented the following action plan. You're allowed to purchase one 25 to 50K straight to funded pro account at a time. You will be limited to one active pro account at a time, and you're limited to max 2 accounts per week, Monday through Friday. You are not allowed to purchase instant sim or elite accounts. You are not allowed to purchase 100 to 150K accounts. That's crazy to me. They don't want to make money, apparently. Number one. Number two, why did you wait until he had 90 accounts purchased before you told him anything, right? Like, if you're going to have a rule as a firm, and I don't know that you do or don't, but if you're going to have a rule at a firm that a trader cannot purchase more than X amount of accounts on a monthly basis, then let me let you in on a little secret. Let everybody know and lock up the account. If it's 10 accounts per month and they try to purchase on the 11th, your system is going to know. Your back-end system is going to know, hey, he's trying to purchase on the 11th account. Blocked. And instantly a pop-up shows, I'm sorry, you've reached your max accounts that you can purchase this month. You can purchase a new account, starting on such and such date. But for now, you're done. If that's the issue, then you're done. And what is that number? Is it 5 accounts a month? Is it 10 accounts a month? Is it 20 accounts a month? Is it 30 accounts a month, right? Or is it 31 accounts a month? This guy purchased on average 30 accounts per month for 3 months because he had 90 accounts over the course of 3 months, right? So what's the limit? And you got to let traders know about that limit ahead of time. Like, for example, I believe Topstep has you limited to 10 accounts a month. Okay, there you go. Now you know you cannot buy more than 10 accounts per month. TopOne, what's the deal here? And why did you wait until he put in for a payout request? That's sketchy as hell. And then you scroll on down and you can't even blame Ralph here, or Raphael, update, filed a chargeback through my bank for all my expenses. That's what I wrote. We'll update as soon as I know. And bang, here you go. Here you can pause it and read it if you want. My man did 94 disputes. So he's ready to rock and roll, and he's got receipts. He's telling everybody what's going on, including what they're saying he did wrong. Buying 80 evals over the span of 3 months. I basically tried to pass a group of 3 2 times a week. People will be like, oh my God, you blew 80 evals. Yo, do you know how easy it is to blow 80 evals at any firm that allows you to copy trade? I mean, he's trying to do them in groups of 3. Have you ever tried to do groups of 5 or groups of 10? You do copy trade 10 accounts together and fail them 8 times. You could do that in the course of one singular day if you really wanted to. If you tried hard because you're trying to pass it in one fell swoop. Oh, but that's wrong. You shouldn't do that. You should do whatever you want with your eval as long as the firm has no rule against it. And you got Brett here saying, stick with TradeDify at this point. It's not even worth the additional leverage. Sticking to deny after being such a high-paying customer. And that's right. Stick with TradeDify. Or if you want to try somebody else as well, Lucid. Either one, or preferably both. Because if you're consistently profitable, why wouldn't you trade at more than one firm? But if you want to trade with TradeDify or you want to trade with Lucid, coupon code all caps JESSEW is going to get you the deepest available discount at the firm, including any discount that they emailed you, the house with their house discount code. You can use my code, and it's going to get you the same discount, and you get to support the channel and all the free giveaways we do. And we got a special appearance today, and it's Rohit Kumar. You guys remember him? I told you I clicked follow, and I'm still following my man, so he's not out there talking by himself. We're gonna click like on this. He says day 22 of $31,500 payout denial by Matthew D. Morris and Clay Hodges of TopOne Futures. TopOne Futures definitely pissing off a lot of traders on X this week. Somebody replied to this man. He's been talking to himself on X for 22 days. And then they said, we won't be undone. I want to be able to come out here on the news just like TopOne. Funded Futures family denying a payout request as well. You got Seabass here saying, hey, I've been reaching out to support Thursday about a payout denial error that was made and the issue still hasn't been resolved. I met all the criteria to get paid out, but it was denied due to an error on your side. And you can see Funded Futures family says that they are tagging the payout team, to which Seabass says, I contacted support through the email posted on the website. Funded Futures family, whoever's manning this, got it. Thanks for the feedback. The payout team has been addressed, has addressed this issue, and you will be paid shortly. Congrats on your payout. And look, he got paid out. So it's not all bad news. And that's it for me today, guys. Here from the Keys, it's thundering outside. We can't do much, so I figured I'd do the video. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my videos. I upload videos Mondays and Thursdays, and I stream Wednesdays at 9:15 a.m. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on another one. Peace.